How is it going? In today's video, I'm going to kind of discuss a troubling, probably potential health hazard with one of these cleansing devices that I have. And I don't want to say it's not really a device, it's a product or a thing. But I just happened upon this and I was concerned enough to put up a video for you guys. Okay, now we all know about exfoliating and scrubbing our face or using a sonic or Clarisonic or whatever, to get all the gunk out of our pores and all of that. One of the things that I've been using, and I do like it, is the Conjac sponge. Okay, you wet it, you put your sudsy stuff on here, your soap or cleanser or whatever, and you go to town with your face. What I absolutely freaked out about is, and this is the dried down version right now. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna take it off. Well, I think you can see it. See if I can get this close up for you guys. Hang on. There. Don't know if you can see this. Do you see this stuff over here? Let me see if I can lower the light a bit so you can see it. There you go. Do you see that black stuff there? Do you see it up here? There? And down here? Yeah, that is mold. Okay, I saw that and I absolutely freaked out. That is what is being harbored in this Conjac sponge right now. Needless to say, I'm not going to use this anymore, ever again. But when I went to go ahead and want to wash my face, luckily I do observe and look at my sponges and things just to make sure, everything's okay. And that is what I saw. And I have rinsed this out fine. I have washed this. I always let it air dry. In fact, it has one of these little doodads on it that I just kind of, go ahead and hang it up. Let me put this back here now for you guys. And I was aghast. I was absolutely aghast. And the thought of putting anything like that on my skin, no. I will throw this as far away as I possibly can. Now, I did get this product from one of the people that sent me things to review. And I don't think I need to mention the manufacturer because I don't think it has anything to do with the actual manufacturer or the actual company. I think that it has to do with the fact that it is a sponge, a live organism or whatever it was, I don't even know, natural product, and it can harbor bacteria. That's as simple as that. Anything can harbor bacteria. Now, what I'm going to use and what I've been using, I have it, so I might as well just use it in my arsenal. The two things that I will continue to use is this. This is my, what is it called? Something, Gencovo. It's some, off-brand. This is a dupe for the Ferio sonic brush, and it's silicone. It's a little bit, worn out and stuff, but it is awesome. I use it all the time. It does not harbor any bacteria because it's silicone. And I've yet to recharge this sucker. This is amazingly fabulous for, my skin and everything. And then the other thing, and this is kind of like a dupe or, cheap sister of the Clarisonic. This is the Conair. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the Conair, and I believe it's called the True Glow. And I did actually a video comparing these two, this one and this one together, like about a year ago or something, maybe a little longer than that, but I'll definitely link that video below to this video so you guys can hop over there and see the comparisons between the two products and see how, how I like it and everything like that. I do like them equally. I do use them. I tend to favor the dupe for the Ferio a little bit over the Sonicare, just a tad, just because it's handy dandy and it's portable and it's so travel friendly that I just tend to gravitate to it all the time. I will definitely never be using a Conjac sponge again ever, and that's why I wanted to come up here really quickly and tell you guys and warn you guys about that. If please go and check if you do have a sponge like this. Please go and check it. Please do not leave it in a damp place, in a dish or soap dish, or if you hang it up in the shower. Please go ahead and look at it. Replace it. If you must have a Conjac sponge, then go ahead and replace it. They're not that expensive. You know, there are only a few bucks. You can probably go into either Sally's Beauty Supply, or you can go into one of these Korean beauty supply stores, or even the Korean markets, and then buy these Conjac sponges. They're like a couple of bucks, seriously. So if you really want to keep some on hand, use them, but then discard them. I would say at least every 2 months or less. I certainly will not be rebuying any of them because I just don't need to. Okay, so that's what I wanted to put up here. Very quick video right now. This is honestly like a health alert video that I wanted to put up here as quickly as possible, because when I saw that I was like, oh, no, not on my skin, no. Yeah, just the thought of mold anywhere on my skin, it just freaks me out. I don't know about you guys, but there's not much living organism stuff that I would put on my skin as far as that's concerned, and certainly mold is not one of them. So if you've had any issues, if you're seeing any breakouts or anything like that, go ahead and check your sponge. But even if you don't see anything, like this is very obvious. I saw definitely the black mold. But if you have any concerns, I would really urge you guys to check with a dermatologist and make sure that everything is okay and that it has not compromised your facial skin in any way, and just to make sure that you are healthy and everything is okay. All right, I love you guys. Please give it a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to me, and I will see you in my next video. Blessings to everybody. Bye.